Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we bring you the latest news and insights on the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're talking about a fascinating development in the retail sector that's got everyone buzzing: GameStop's bold move into Bitcoin. Imagine one of the biggest names in gaming and entertainment just getting ready to take a leap of faith into the wild world of cryptocurrency. That's exactly what's happening with GameStop, as their CEO Ryan Cohen has just made a major move to bet on Bitcoin. According to recent filings, Cohen has acquired an additional 500,000 shares of GameStop, worth approximately $10.78 million at the current price of $21.55 per share. This brings his total stake in the company to around 8.4% of the entire available capital, a pretty significant chunk, if you ask me. But what's really interesting here is that this move comes just days after GameStop announced a massive plan to raise $1.5 billion through the issuance of convertible bonds, with the primary goal of buying Bitcoin and transforming its treasury into active crypto. It's an ambitious initiative, to say the least, and one that's got everyone in the industry taking notice. Now we know what you're thinking. Why is GameStop getting into Bitcoin? Well, it's not hard to see why this might be a smart move for the company. With inflation on the rise and market instability looming large, many financial giants like Tesla and MicroStrategy are already seeking refuge in Bitcoin as a store of value. And with its recent resurgence, it's clear that Bitcoin is here to stay. GameStop now joins this group, with an initiative that could redefine its positioning in the public markets and among institutional investors. By betting on Bitcoin, they're not only taking a chance on a potentially lucrative investment opportunity, they're also signaling a bold new direction for the company. Now, some of you might be thinking, but isn't GameStop just a traditional retail company? How can this Bitcoin thing really work for them? Well, that's where things get interesting. You see, by embracing crypto as a reserve asset, GameStop is essentially positioning itself as a fintech company, one that's nimble and adaptable in the face of changing market conditions. And let's not forget Ryan Cohen himself, who's been instrumental in driving this change at GameStop. As the founder of Chewy and a pioneer in e-commerce, he's got a track record of innovation and disruption. And with his latest move, it's clear that he's still very much in the driver's seat. So what does all this mean for GameStop, Bitcoin, and the wider financial markets? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, this is a development that's got everyone watching with bated breath. Stay tuned to Bitcoin Bulletin for more on this story, as we continue to bring you the latest news and insights from the world of cryptocurrency. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Bitcoin Bulletin.